In this video, I am going to show you how to install third-party apps on your Roku device. First, ensure your Roku is connected to the internet and powered on. Unlike other devices, Roku does not allow direct installation of third-party apps through its interface, but there are still ways to add them. The first method is using the Roku website. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the Roku channel store. Log in with your Roku account credentials. Once logged in, search for the third-party app you want to add. If it's available in the Roku channel store, simply click Add Channel to install it on your Roku device. If the app is not available in the official channel store, you can use the screen mirroring feature to stream content from your smartphone or tablet. To do this, ensure that screen mirroring is enabled on your Roku device. Go to Settings, then System, and select Screen Mirroring. Choose your preferred option for mirroring, either Prompt or Always Allow. Next, on your smartphone or tablet, open the third-party app you want to use and select the content you wish to stream. Swipe down from the top of your screen on Android or access the Control Center on iOS to find the screen mirroring option. Select your Roku device from the list, and your device's screen will be mirrored on your TV. Another option is to use a Roku-compatible app like the Roku Media Player, which can play local media files. You can access content from a USB drive or your home network. Keep in mind that while you can install third-party apps directly, these methods allow you to enjoy additional content on your Roku device. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.